What's up, guys? Good morning. It is a beautiful Saturday. What I mean beautiful, the sun is behind the clouds. It's got a nice breeze. It's not hot. Man, is it a nice day. Nice morning, nice morning. I don't know what time it is. Let me see. 9:25. Let's see. We're just going to take a little stroll. Today's a food day, guys. Today is a food day. I'm going to talk about food here in the Philippines. And the Pampanga is the food capital of the Philippines, and we're going to be doing some food things today. A new store has opened, and I'm going to show you this new store. There's Rock. Rock's busy this morning, chasing cars, chasing people around. He's got this path war over here. See his path through here. Hops up on the rock, he looks out. And Rock hops up on the rock and he looks out. He's got this path war here. Yeah, there he goes. That's what he does. And then he gets tired and lays down and rests. There's old Rock. Let's take a little stroll through the house, see what everybody's doing this morning. There's Hannah. Friday at school. She's in her fourth quarter. She's only got a couple more months of school left. We're waiting for her third report card to come out today. There she is. Speaking of food, here's my breakfast. Scrambled eggs, crispy bacon, sausage patty. Those bacon and sausage are both from Pinky's. She makes the best sausage, the best bacon in the area. Let's come out here, see what Lut's up to. Oh, there's Bachoy. What's going on, Bachoy? Oh, Lut's out here. She just finished cooking breakfast. There she is. There's the B2. They're all waiting for their meal. That's what Hannah's having. I guess Lut's gonna have some of that too. She likes her bacon not well done. Hot dogs for breakfast. That's the dog's food. What's in there, Lut?
Pork.
Pork, what else?
Beef.
Beef, what else?
Vegetables.
Vegetables, what else?
Rice.
Rice. That's the dog's food. They're ready. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you Bachoy here. Let throw some food down for Bachoy. I'm gonna show you Bachoy here and how he acts with his food. So I'm going to talk a little bit about food today. Before I begin, remember what I like, you might not like, and vice versa. My opinions that I'm giving, I don't want people to get mad or take this the wrong way. It's my perspective as a Westerner living here in the Philippines. My thoughts about the food, the taste, the quality, everything like that. So please don't take this the wrong way. Don't tell me if you don't like the food, get out of the country. You know what I'm saying. Anyways, I'm up here right now. This is MacArthur Highway. I'm right beside the Robinson Mall. There's a new place that just opened here. I'm going to find it. I've always said, you come to the Philippines, if you're living in the Philippines now, or you're going to travel to the Philippines in the future, I've always said, you got to try the food. Pampanga, where I'm located, is considered the culinary capital of the Philippines. Guess it's just the label they gave it. Another thing you got to remember too, depending on where you live or where you're vacationing, your limit to Western foods will be higher in the city, less in the province. I know when I was in the province where Lut lived, I had to travel at least 45 minutes one way just to get to like a Chowking or a Jollibee. The one little town where she lived took me about 15 minutes to get to. Beautiful ride. The most modern thing they had in there was a Dunkin' Donuts, so I was going up there to get Dunkin' Donuts. So you got to remember that also. Bigger cities, bigger choices. I've tried things here. Why not? You never know if you're gonna like it or if you're not gonna like it unless you try it. You got an iron stomach, I would say Give the street food a try. One of the things I always look for is make sure the oil's not dark. But I've tried all the street foods, you know. I've tried chicken intestine, pig intestines, chicken blood, what else? Chicken head, chicken feet. Those are all your street foods. The chicken feet, I've tried them. The thing is, chicken feet, there's just not enough meat on that bone. I mean, they had everything but the chicken toenail. But give it a try. Give it a try. You know, they got the adobo, the sisig, which is, you know, from this area, Pampanga. It's pretty good. I like it. What else? Lechon Bad Boy. If you come here, you gotta have the Lechon Bad Boy. I mean, it's incredibly good. Here's the funny thing though. Aqua glass. I know it's not very interesting here. It's just a highway. The place I want to go to is right up here. Now, I just lost my train of thought. Imagine that. Here's the thing. They call this area the culinary capital of the Philippines. Kapampangan food. You got to try the Kapampangan food, which I have. I've tried some. Some I like, some I don't like. But here's the thing. I went to 2 restaurants here that marketed themselves as Kapampangan food. You get in there, they got a menu. Good morning. Oh, it looks good. Corn. More street food. Street kids. What's up? But I got there, and they were, you know, their specialty was Kapampangan food. Had their own little menu. Placed my order. Sorry, sir, out of stock. All right, let me go to the next thing. Sorry, sir, out of stock. 3 things out of stock at both places, and these places claim to be Kapampangan food. And little word of advice: you're going to claim that, have it on your menu. But anyways, I think I'm here, and I'm going to show you guys the latest place here in Angeles City, in Pampanga, the culinary capital of the Philippines. You guys, get ready. All right, guys, you ready? Here it is. Here is the latest place to eat here in Angeles City, in Pampanga, the culinary capital of the Philippines. You ready? Here we go. Drum roll, please. Domino's Pizza. They now have a Domino's Pizza here in Angeles City. Yeah, that's the latest place. It looks like there's a line. Yeah, there's a line here, but this is like grand opening. Oh, she's coming.
Welcome to Domino's.
Oh, thank you. She's giving me her little flyer here.
Yeah, we have a promo for today.
When did you open?
Today is our grand opening.
Today's your grand opening. All right.
Today is our grand opening.
Look.
We have a promo for today. It's called Pizza Flash Sale. For only 259 pesos, you can get any flavor of our 10 inches pizza.
For how much?
259 only.
Only? Wow. Yeah. Okay. Sounds good.
Yes. And if you order two pizza flash sale, you can have a free Cinnabite.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah.
Good deal. So there it is, the grand opening of Domino's Pizza.
You're a YouTube blogger, sir?
Oh yeah,
oh,
yeah. Grand opening.
Try our pizza.
It's good. Masarap.
Yeah, it's masarap.
All right. All right. So I'm inside right now. Let me show you around here. There's no music playing. Thank God there's no music playing. But here it is. Here's the new Domino's here. Pick up, order. Right now they got a special until Sunday, $2.59 for their pizza. Until Sunday, they're opening. But you can see it. I don't know if you can see the price up there, but there it is. Pizza Flash. Oh, double deal. Prices start at $4.89. All kinds of goodies here, but you see it. This is exciting. We got a Domino's here. They got some dining, not a lot, but they're going to also work on Grab. They don't have Grab yet. They're working on that. And I told the girl, you guys got to get Grab because Grab's a big thing here. But anyways, if you're in the city right now, in Angular City or nearby, and you want to give Domino's a try, get on up here. They got that deal going on until Sunday. You got to get here. You got to come here. All right, guys. So I just placed my order. I ordered 3 pizzas: a plain pizza, a bacon American bacon cheeseburger pizza, a Hawaiian pizza, and with that I got free garlic bread sticks, like 900 pesos, something like that, almost 20 bucks. I'll open them up and eat them at home. But listen, guys, if you come up here, get up here, talk to Rochelle. Rochelle, she was the girl I was talking to. She's the thumbnail. Hang on, we got a loud motorbike going by. All right. But anyway, stop up and tell her that you stopped here because Philly in the Philippines did a video on it. Very nice girl, very nice girl. But you guys seen it, it was popping. All right, guys, so I'm up at the store right now. I thought Lut was gonna be here, but her brother's here. A woman that works here. We're gonna try some of this Domino's pizza. I know maybe you guys thought I was gonna, you know, with the beginning of the video, thought I was gonna go to some exotic Pampanga or some fancy restaurant and get some exotic Filipino food. Nah, like I said, I've eaten it here. I've had the food here, I've eaten it here. This is something new that just opened up. There was a while back, I'm talking pre-pandemic and stuff, up on Clark, they used to have these food vendors that used to go up there on the weekends and set up. It was almost like 4 months long. And I remember I bought a slice of Domino's pizza up there. But that was the last time I have it. I couldn't even remember what it tasted like. But I talked to the woman. Man, they are working. People are coming and people are coming and people are coming. And you can order it online. I don't know all their details, but I see they are picking up and delivering. They just don't have Grab or Panda yet. That's coming. But man, they're busy. I told her, I said, I hope you guys don't run out of food. And they're like, no, we're prepared. They got all the executives from Domino's, their main branch and everything like that up there. But they are busy. I actually gave one of the pizzas to the girls next door in the little store that got robbed the other day. I gave them a pizza. They let us park our trike and stuff over there, and occasionally I parked the car over there. So, but anyways, here's what we got. We got this bad boy here: pepperoni, mushrooms, olives, peppers, onions, cheese, and then this is the cheeseburger pizza or something. But I actually thought I ordered a regular plain cheese pizza. I don't know if I did or if I didn't, or they messed up the order, who knows. But either way, it'll get eaten. And I got these little cinnamon bites and stuff. I'll take some back to Hannah Grace. But anyways, I'm gonna get Lut's brother here, old Puxy, to try out a piece of Domino's pizza and let me know what he thinks. All right, there he is. He's never had Domino's pizza.
Yeah, it's my first time to have
First time. So what are you gonna have there, Puxy? You gonna have one of the fully loaded?
Yeah, I think this one's
All right, give it a shot. Let me know what you think.
good. I'm gonna get this one.
Yeah. He's had pizza before, but never Domino's.
Yeah, I have.
You like it?
Yep.
Good?
Yep.
Totally good?
It's not. It's totally good.
Totally good, huh? All right. Now I gotta give a shot. Let me do a shot of one here. I'm gonna do one of these. It's cheeseburger pizza. Come on. Well, they didn't cut it too well. Come on.
Oh.
Hold that there, Puxy.
I will.
All right. All right, cheeseburger pizza. Here it is. I don't know. I think that's some mayonnaise thrown on there.
Yeah.
Cheeseburger.
How's the taste?
That's totally good. That's really good. I'm not a big fan of that mayonnaise stuff they throw on there. I don't know why they threw the mayonnaise on. Unless they thought cheeseburgers should have mayonnaise. That's Look calling me right now. She's gonna have to wait because I tried to contact her multiple times and no answer. So I'm in the middle of a video and well, she's gonna have to wait, right? Anyways, all right. What it? Vamos. Vamos.
Yeah.
Mama's gonna try one. Oh, she washed her hands.
Yeah.
Cleanliness.
Yeah.
I'm sure she's had pizza in the past, but never Domino's. Oh, she goes with the hot sauce on it too. No, no hot sauce.
No,
All right.
I don't want spicy.
Let me know. Let me know how it tastes.
Good. Try mo daw dahil. Anong lasa? Domino pa rin.
Masarap. All right, masarap. All right, we're home now, and we got two more taste testers of Domino's Pizza. We have Hannah Grace, and we have Lut. And no, we do not have Pachoy. He's not trying any.
No, you should need to have tried him so you can know. Okay.
Which one would you like?
Hannah, dalihan mo na. Which one you like?
That's like
What is that?
hang on. All right. You like it? So you're a fan of Domino's Pizza? That's like a cheeseburger type pizza type thing from Domino's. What is going? Oh, you're going with one too. You're not going with the
Okay, I
the
got
vegetable ones with the onions and the olives and the.
Of course, Hannah, won't gonna pick this. This is the bad vegetable. You should just like let them know vegetable.
And your thoughts on Domino's Pizza?
Oh, it's good. It's okay. Actually, I'm not really a big fan of pizza.
Yeah.
I'm not really like into it. But Domino's Pizza is okay. Like Domino's Pizza, fine. I can eat that once in a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you? What do you think?
You
Huh?
want that? You want that? Give you a little bit. What do you think? Nani? Oh no.
He don't
That's
care.
okay.
He don't
How about
care.
this one?
Oh, these are these. You gotta
Okay.
try these, Hannah Grace. These are cinnamon sticks with like a chocolate dip or something.
Oh, she will love that.
Yeah, I think she'll like them. Try one of them, Tim.
That.
All right, what will try one?
Mm.
They're good.
It's really good. It's come to hot.
If it was warm, it'd be
Warm,
really, really
yeah.
good. Yeah.
It's really good. Hannah, try
Hannah,
this.
try one. Dip it in the. Dip it in.
Dito.
Dito.
Chocolate.
You like them? Like cinnamon stick with chocolate. Am I disturbing the GC group, Hannah?
Hmm?
Am I disturbing the GC group?
No, that's game.
No.
That's game.
All right, there it is, guys. Everybody seems to like the Domino's Pizza. I enjoyed it. That's why. Would I order from them again? Sure, I'll order from them again. I think it's very good. It's been, well, except for that time up on Clark, like I said, it's been years since I had Domino's.
The Domino's just came from US, right?
Yeah, and you know, to each their own. Remember, guys, to each their own. Some people, I hate Domino's. All right, to each their own. But anyways, guys, there it is. The new Domino's, the hot spot, the jumping spot where everybody's going. It's up there just a little ways down from Robinson Mall. There's a gas station there, and there's a bunch of buildings in the little area. It's kind of across the street from the BPI. If you're coming out of Angeles City, Fields Avenue, Walking Street, that area, go up MacArthur Boulevard. If you go over the big bridge, you've gone too far. They have these things blowing in the wind and everything like that. They got music playing. But the good deal, I think, what would I say, $2.58 is only good till Sunday. So if you're here in Angeles or in around the area, even Subic Bay, if you're jonesing for Domino's Pizza, they have it up here. Get up there, support this new establishment that's open, and I'll be returning for sure. So anyways, with that being said, take care of yourself, take care of each other, the sick, the elderly, and the young. Your pets, take care of your pets, and we'll talk to you later.